Hello guys, good day. Welcome to UG Forex Academy, where we drop information about cryptocurrency, about Shopify, about Forex trading, DIY, financial advice. We give updates about the new latest airdrops. Okay, today I want to take you on a very sweet topic: 5 hidden features of Metatrader 5. I just discovered this one of recently. Metatrader 5 is very flexible than Metatrader 4. So there are some features that you don't know. There are some hidden features that you don't know about Metatrader 5. Remember, we have Metatrader 4, we have Metatrader 5. Metatrader 5 difference, they're almost the same thing. The difference is that Metatrader 4, for some brokers, they use Metatrader 4, while for some brokers, they use Metatrader 5, especially stock, people that trade stocks. All right, so number one features that you don't know about Metatrader 5 is ability to adjust your stop loss and your take profit. Ability to adjust your stop loss and your take profit. Okay, let's take for instance this running trade now. Let's look for a stop loss for this running trade. The stop loss is, let's use this up one, here, 696114, 696114 stop loss. Okay, 6961.14. Okay, that should be for sell. Yes, for sell. 6961.14. So let's say we are selling and then we enter. You can see my stop loss here. You can see 696114. We are selling and then I put my stop loss and then I decided to use this place as my, for instance, I decided to use this area as my take profit. So let's use 680469, 680469, 680469, 6804.69. So number one features, remember I said ability to adjust your stop loss or your take profit. So I want to adjust this my take profit. I don't want to leave my take profit here anymore. All I just need to do is just to tap it. Have you seen? I tap it. So the down one is take profit. You are seeing it written here very boldly, TP. So I just tap it and then I drag it. Are you seeing? I can drag it to this point, and then this area, I'll just click on that arrow, click on modify. And then you can see now this is my new take profit. You can never do this kind of thing on Metatrader 4. It's not that flexible like that. So let's say I want to adjust my my stop loss. I want to adjust my stop loss. This is where my stop loss is. The same pattern, I just tap it and drag it to this point. You can see. I click on the arrow as usual. I click on modify. Unlike the normal way, if it was to be an MT4 trader, MetaTrader 4, all I just need to do is just to mark out this point. When I mark out this point, I'll go to the trade and hold it and click on modify. Click on modify and then input the new changes. But sometimes you are on a running trade, especially news. When you have news, there's no time for all those. You can easily just tap it. It's very good for trading news. You can easily just tap it and move it. You get very easily without having to the long process, hold it, modify, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So that's number one. Number two is the ability to partial close trade. Do you know what's partial close? Okay, let's take for instance, I don't want to close this my trade because I just entered this trade. So let's say I enter, let's see what the trend is doing right now. Okay, I can currently buy. I can place. Okay, let me see. I'm seeing head and shoulder pattern here. Okay, let me sell with a smaller size. So let's say I enter this this trade, sell, this last trade, sell, and I'm having 8.40 something dollars. I want to partial close. All I just need to do is to swipe left from my right hand side. I swipe left, then I'm giving like 4 options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. So inside these 5 options, I just need to click on this one here, the second options. So once I click on the second options, you can see I'll come over here, this place. I'll come over here and then just partial close. I can use 0. Maybe I want to change the lot size. I can change lot size 0.10. Yeah, 0.10. So I can now close in this. I'll partial close this trade. So partial close means I am closing that trade partially. I have been able to take off 10 out of 1,000. You get, let's call it 1,000 because it was 1,000. So I've been able to take out 10. So I've been able to partial close. So if you are in massive profits, for instance, you want to take some profits for yourself and close the rest, and still hold the rest, you can sweep and then partial close. You change the lot size. You can change the lot size to maybe 500 if you want. So you can see it's closing, partial closing. You can be doing that while you are still holding that trade without closing. You can't do this. This feature is not available on Metatrader 4. It's not available on Metatrader 4. So Metatrader 5 is very flexible, very, very flexible. You can partial close a trade anytime. You can close some profit and leave some. So all I need to do is just to sweep here, come here, and then wipe some profits off. Let's see, for instance, now 0.50. So I'm going to close 120. You can see I'm going to be closing $126. You get, which is not what I want to do now. So if I just, once I type close with profit, I'm going to close with profit. So that's for that. So another features, number 3 features of that you don't know about of Metatrader 5 is ability to close multiple trade. So let's open multiple trade. Okay, let's close multiple trade. I didn't want to do this on this account, but let's just do it. Okay, let me show you. I won't close it, but let me show you. So to close multiple trade now on Metatrader 5, all I just need to do is just to hold this and come down below. You're seeing bulk operation. This bulk operation, now once I click this bulk operation, see what will happen. Bulk operation, you're seeing they're giving me options. Close positions with profit. So if sometimes you can see some traders that have like 10 positions, 20 positions. Instead of start closing them one by one, you can just tap on close all positions. All of them will close at once. Most especially if you enter like 10 positions during news, you don't want to start closing one by one so that it will not retrace You know how news is very volatile now. It's do not retrace with speed. You can just click on close opportunity. It just close at once if you have a strong network. So close profitable trade. So if I since I have 3 trades here, some of them are in loss. You can see this new one I enter is in loss. So if I should select the option of close profitable trade, these two will close while that loss will still be on. So also to if I should close the sell, I can still close sell. I can close only sell. You get, I can sometimes some traders you'll be selling gold, be selling GPUSD, be selling Euro USD, be selling you get different pair at once. You can decide to close individually. You can close all the maybe all the GPUSD are on profit. You can close all the GPUSD, you get, and leave the rest. You get. So MetaTrader 5 is very flexible. It's very flexible. That's number three. Number 3 points I've given to you. Number 4 is ability to close profitable trade or losing trade. I have already explained that one. You can close only profit. You can't do this in MetaTrader 4. You cannot do that. If you are closing, you are closing. You get. So you can manually close profitable trade. You can manually close profitable. For instance, now what I mean by closing bulk profitable, for instance, if I have GPUSD, Euro USD, and then NZJPY, you get, then all the GPUSD is in profit, and then all the Euro USD is in profit. I can manually close. I can just hold here, come here, close all the GPUSD and Euro USD that is on profit, and leave the loss first. Maybe I'm foreseeing that those ones are in loss will later come back to profit. Again, I can close those ones. Same thing with the loss. So I can also close the loss and leave the profit. So it is very flexible, very flexible. The last number five hidden features of MetaTrader 5 is flexible chart. Flexible charts. You see how you can zoom in this chart. You can also zoom. You can also push this to the end. You can also push this. You can see if I hold this now. If I was trading currency now, I can hold this now and drag this to my left hand side. I will be able to drag this pair to my left hand side. So flexibility. It has a very flexible chart. Another reason why I say it has a very flexible chart is if I should pick up an object now and place the object on this chart on MetaTrader 4, if I log out and come back, this object will go off. You get, this object will go off, but in MetaTrader 5 it will still be there. You get, to still be there. So the ability for the MetaTrader 5 chart is very flexible. Very flexible. You get, very flexible. The chart is very flexible. So that is the feature. So do well to experiment these features by yourself and get back to me in the comment section. So peace out. Bye.